Hello, people of Zion. All right, so whether you're looking to start buying cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you're just bright enough to know that it's a good idea to increase your internet security, in this video, I am going to be going over how to switch to a more secure browser, one that prioritizes keeping your data private and therefore your safety, by downloading my favorite browser, the Brave browser. All right, stay tuned. Welcome back. The Oracle from the blockchain here, and happy to help guide you through the golden crypto country. All right, so as some of you may remember from the last video, thanks for those who subscribed to, I am doing this series on investing in cryptocurrency for beginners, and I am breaking down the 4 easy steps that I gave you into bite-sized how-to tutorials where I walk you through step by step on how to do everything. So in this first step, we are downloading the Brave browser. What is the Brave browser? The Brave browser is a free Chrome-based decentralized open source browser created by none other than JavaSmith creator and Mozilla and Firefox co-founder, Mr. Brendan Eich. Now, what I like about the Brave browser is that it automatically uses secure connections. It blocks ads. So if you're getting ads with this, with these videos, you got nobody to blame but yourself, okay? As well as malware, phishing, plugins, all that. So it's automatically blocking those, and your speeds are a lot faster as a result. It doesn't collect and sell your data to anybody, so you're not getting stalked around the internet by people you didn't even sleep with. And it even provides you with a way to tip content creators that you like anonymously if you want. And as well as, help support websites that you like going to by allowing in safe ads, but getting a cut of the action, 70% at this time, for your time and inconvenience and all that. So, it's really focused around you, your privacy, as well as not treating you as a product. So now that you're on board with the Brave browser, let's get to downloading it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go to your search engine and pull up the Brave browser. Once you're at the Brave homepage, click Download Brave. And then you're gonna get the option to import your bookmarks and settings from your current browser and get all set up in your new house. Then Brave is gonna remind you that it has shields that are up protecting you and blocking things. So if you go to a certain page at any time and it appears broken, just take the shields down from that page. Next, you're gonna wanna set your default search engine. I stuck with Bing because I like the rewards that I get when I search the internet for all the random stupid things I search for, like when people who are blind at birth dream, can they see in them? Like, whoa. And lastly, they're gonna give you the option of receiving rewards for viewing private ads. Yes, this is one of those browsers I told you about in the last video that'll pay you in crypto to use them. And just like that, you are done. You have downloaded a new browser, voila! You can start surfing the internet with a little bit more peace of mind. For those of you who are interested in buying cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that kind of stuff, stick around because in the next couple videos, we are gonna go into step 2 where we actually get on an exchange and purchase crypto. All right, so remember to subscribe if that's what you're interested in doing, like this video, and if you wanna watch this stuff on a site that's supported by a decentralized company for free, go to Odyssey and you could check me out there. In the meantime, remember that this is the Oracle from the blockchain reminding you to eat a cookie.